Hey everybody, this is Mary and I am pleased to share with you our new Clover cash discounting dual pricing options that we're providing. So to start, we will show the cash discount display that can go up on a monitor or a TV in any shop. And what we're hoping to do here is allow customers to see difference between cash and card prices, especially in compliance with new laws that are going into place all over the country. So let's start with this. What you're seeing on the big screen, that's what will show up on the TV or monitor of your choice. And on the small screen, of course, you can see what will be shown on the phone. So let's start with that code here on the TV. This code will be given to you in the Clover app, the cash discounting app that we run. And you'll enter this code here using the remote on your TV. Go ahead and submit it. And then I'm going to come here on my phone, use my camera, and scan that QR code that shows up on the TV. And that'll bring me to this website here. Inventory display setup. I will enter the same code, and now I have on my phone sort of a remote to control what's happening on the screen. So you can see by now the inventory from my Clover has already auto-populated right here, and I'm going to start customizing this in my phone. So let's start with the title. You can see the title right up here. I'm going to change it to my store. And you can see that it's already updating right here. And I can hide the title if I don't want it. It goes away, and I want to show it. So here we go, my store. Inventory, I can select what inventory I do or don't want to show. If I want to remove the category watches, it should remove itself right there. So let's scroll to the bottom here. We'll go ahead and submit. I'm going to hide those watches. And now let's change the color palette. So I've got this red watermelon going on. Let's try a red color palette. You can see the font changed, the header changed. Maybe we wanted to do blue. We've got this blue. It doesn't quite show up as well on this background, so let's do red for now, but in just a minute we'll change that background as well. So first let's go to this font. I can select any kind of font that I want. Times New Roman. Here we go. Let's do monospaced. That's another option. And then we can change the size. Change it to be bold or all caps. And as we go, we can change those things. Now here's what's really interesting. We can change the background image here. So let's try this photo library. I want to use this watercolor background. Submit it. Might refresh the page, and here we go. We got this watercolor background. That shows up a little better, doesn't it? Yep, there we go. And then a couple advanced features. Here we go. We can hide that cash price if we just want to show card, or the other way around if you may not be in a state where that's required. And you can change the number of columns. So if I want 2 columns, maybe I've got a lot of inventory. This one doesn't have so many. This shows up a little bit better on the display. And then one thing that's really critical for a lot of our customers is you may want to have 2 or 3 monitors or TVs around your shop. So I can increase that number to have 3 TVs, 2 TVs, however many I need. And it'll go ahead and automatically separate those into a couple different TVs. So because I have just one piece of inventory actually on TV 1, we don't have a lot of inventory in this account, I'll reduce the padding between those lines, make it look a little better. Of course, normally you'd have 10 or 15 items here. And then I can scroll and say, actually, I want to be on page 2, and you can see a little more inventory there, and those will auto-populate for you. So let's display this menu. I want to show TV 2, show it right up here, and that's what it looks like.